Welcome back. My name is Musa the Jan from Durban, South Africa. This is video number 3 in the series of 4 videos where I'm just sharing with you the ICO basics. Remember that on video number 1 we described an ICO and other terms, and on video 2 we just learned how to do a basic research on an ICO or on a project or company that you are planning to invest in before you actually invest. So if you haven't watched video 1 and video 2, I highly recommend that you go through those videos first before you continue with this one. If you have already watched those 2 videos, video 1 and video 2, then we can continue with this one, which is video number 3. Again, welcome to this video. On this video we're going to be looking at how to participate in an ICO, in an initial coin offering. Let's say you have done your due diligence, you've gone through and research the ICO that you want to participate in, and so you have decided to go ahead and invest in. So now how do you go about doing that, right? So the first step is to create the MyEther wallet. So you just go to myetherwallet.com. You want to make sure that you go to the correct website and make sure that you double check your spelling. So let's just go there right now. Okay, so now as you can see, again I went to www.myetherwallet.com, and then now this is just a security window. By all means, if you haven't read this page, make sure that you go through and read this important information here, right? But if you have read it, just click away from it and then create your password. Make sure there's going to be a strong password, but easy for you to remember, but difficult for someone else to remember your password. So after doing that, just click on create new wallet, and then you want to click where it says download key store file, and then move this file where you're going to be able to quickly find it, because you're going to be using it to log on to your MyEther wallet. So in my case, I'm going to put it under this folder, demo files, because this is just for demonstration purposes. Let's go back to the website, and then once you have done that, you'll be able to click the button that says I understand and continue. Just click, but by all means just make sure that you read everything there and understand what it says. And then this is going to be your private key. Make sure that you keep your private key private. You don't share your private key with anyone, right? In my case, let me just copy this one. I'm not sharing it with you because this is just for demonstration purposes, so it's not like I'm going to be using it for real, right? So this is my private key for this demonstration. Private key, right? I'm gonna paste it here and save, and then go back to the website. So now we can even print it. Make sure that you save it, because without the private key you're not going to be able to log on to your wallet, right? So once you have done that, you just click where it says save your address. See your address. Now you're going to have to log into your new wallet you just created. You can either use, or you can use one of these options, but the ones that are really easy to use is this one and this one. Let me just show you the first one. Remember that file that we downloaded? We can just go ahead and click on here where it says Keystone JSON file, and then browse to the file. In my case, I'm going to go to my desktop, and then go to this folder, go to the demo, and then click on this file that we downloaded earlier on, and then just click on the unlock button. What does it say now? Please enter the valid password. Okay, let me just make sure that my password is correct. Apparently it wasn't, so let me just click unlock. All right, now it says wallet successfully decrypted, so we have unlocked our wallet, and this is our Ethereum wallet, so that's important. Let's take that and save it along with our private key. But remember, you must never share your private key with anyone. The only address that you're gonna share is your Ethereum address, which is this one here, right? Which is this one here. You never share this one, you only share this one. Make sure that you get that correctly. So now we are inside our Ethereum wallet, but as you can see, for now we don't have any Ether coins in this wallet because we just created it. Okay, So that's the first method you can use to log on to your wallet. Another method that you can use, the one that I normally use, is to use the private key. So again, you just go to myetherwallet.com, and then in this case choose where it says private key. You want to log into your wallet using your private key. So just go and grab your private key, make sure that it's private, no one else knows it, put it there, and then you just unlock your wallet, right? So once you have done that, again, depending on how many ether coins you already have there, you'll be able to see the statistics of your wallet there. But for now, ours is still blank. So that's how you can create your My Ether wallet. Why are you doing this? You are doing this because you are preparing to participate in an ICO. So you have created your My Ether wallet. Again, make 100% sure that you keep your private keys private. Now once you have done that, just fund your My Ether wallet with a bit more than enough Ethereum to cover gas charges. Now what do I mean by that? By that I mean to say, right, so by that I mean to say that, let's say for instance you have decided to participate in the self-key ICO, right, and you know that the minimum amount you can participate with is 100 USD, right? So now it means that what you're gonna have to do is to fund the My Ether wallet with 100 USD. In other words, I mean not USD, yes, USD, but it must be a little bit more than just 100 USD, because you wanna cover the transaction fees as well. So you might send, for instance, 105 USD Ethereum from your Ethereum wallet, maybe for instance from the Luno wallet, send the Ethereum to this to your own Ethereum address, to this address. So once you have done that, then you'll be able to see the balance there, and then by so doing you would have funded your My Ether wallet with some Ethereum. So let's go back to the slides. Let's go back to the slides quickly, right? So by so doing, you would have funded your My Ether wallet with some Ethereum, and then once you have done that, you need to get whitelisted by completing the KYC procedure if required. Some ICOs or some companies require you to complete the Know Your Customer procedure before you can be eligible to participate on the ICO. So how do you go about doing that? Let me go and show you that quick. Alright, so again, we are just assuming that you have decided to participate in the self-key ICO. So to get whitelisted, what you're gonna have to do is to click this button where it says join the whitelist now, if you are going to participate on this one. If you were to participate on the WePower ICO, you would just enter your address there. In my case, I've already entered my address there, and then if I click the register for ICO button, now what is going to happen is that it says now you are being redirected to our Know Your Customer partner or service, right? So now just see what happens now. So now to register and get confirmed or be eligible to participate in this ICO, I will have to read the terms and conditions, and then indicate that I have just done that, and then put all my details here: my name, my surname, so obviously in your case you'll be putting your own information there, and then Ethereum address. Now remember that we created the My Ethereum address, right? Because you are not allowed to send tokens from an exchange like Bittrex, Bitfinex, Poloniex and stuff like that. You need to make sure that you send your Ethereum from the My Ether wallet, right? Because you own the private keys here. So what you're gonna have to do now is to grab your address. This is your address. Again, this is not your private key, this is your address, and then go back to this page here. Remember, you are trying to get whitelisted, and then you need to indicate how much you want to participate with. Let's say you want to start with, for instance, 0.1 Ethereum. Let's say this is the equivalent of 100 USD, right? And then click on the continue registration button. Now what you're gonna have to do now, okay, as you can see, I'm already there on the picture. So if I really wanted to continue with this procedure, I would just click on where it says take the picture, and then click the next step button, Now on the next step, what I need to do is to upload my it's either I'm using an ID card, or I'm using the passport photo card. In my case, I'm using this one here, so I will choose this one and then upload my documents by clicking these two buttons. This one requires me to upload my passport cover, and then this one requires me to to upload my photograph key page with my face on it, right? So I will just upload those two documents and then complete the procedure, right? So if I did everything correctly, what is going to happen is that I would get a message like this one here. It says approved. Once they have gone through and verified my documents, then I will be and then I'll be approved for that ICO. Or if they are still busy with my documents, like on this one here on Confy, they have told me that thanks for submitting your information. We are currently processing your KYC verification again. So once they have done that, they will notify me by saying approved, as you saw on the previous page here. So basically, that's how you get verified and eligible to participate in an ICO, by uploading your fiat documents. So let's go back to our PowerPoint and see how far we have gone. So we just covered the get whitelisted bullet point there, so we know how to do that. But as I said, not all ICOs will require you to do this, but if they require you to do this, that's how you can do it. It's a very easy procedure. Now once you have done that, once they have said they have approved your documents, now you'll be ready to what? So when the ICO opens, they will notify you. They will let you know that, okay, now the ICO is open. You can now start contributing. So what you will do is to what? Is to send the amount of Ethereum to the correct Ethereum address of the ICO you are participating in. In other words, they will show you, they will display an Ethereum address to say, send your Ethereum to this particular address. So what you will do is to what? Let's just go back to our my Ethereum wallet. All right, so we are back to the myetherwallet.com. Make sure that again you double check the address at the top there, right? And then you're gonna have to log into your wallet. In most cases I just use the private key to log onto my wallet, so I'm going to use my demo private key to log onto my wallet, just like we did before. Let me just copy that and then go back to this box and paste there and unlock my wallet. So why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I want to send Ethereum from my wallet to the ICO wallet. In other words, I'm sending some Ethereum from even though I have zero, I'm just using this for for demonstration purposes. So what I will do is to go to where it says send an Ether and tokens. Okay, so again it wants me to log in again, so let me just do that. All right, so let me unlock it. So here, to address, this is where I will put the address of the company that I am participating in. In other words, they will show me the if I'm participating in the self-key ICO, they will give me on this page here, they will give me their contract wallet address to send my Ethereum to. So it will be displayed here once the ICO opens, right? So I will copy that address, put it here, and then indicate the amount of Ethereum I want to send to their address. For instance, we said we want to send 0.1 Ethereum, which is the equivalent of 100 USD, right? Then once we have done that, they will tell us the gas limit, how much gas we want to put here, and then we'll click the button that says generate transaction, and then a confirmation window will pop up, and then we'll just click the button to say yes, we want to do that. And then once we have done that, our Ethereum is going to be sent from your own Ethereum wallet to their Ethereum wallet that they would have displayed here. So by so doing, by sending your Ethereum from your own wallet to their wallet, you would have purchased their tokens, right? So the ICO will run maybe for a couple of weeks. Once the ICO is completed, once they have reached their hard cap, what they will do is they will notify you again and say that we have reached our hard cap, and then your tokens will be sent to your My Ether wallet. So they will send your tokens to your wallet and let you and tell you exactly how how to claim your tokens. Then after that, you'll be able to trade your tokens on any exchange. So basically, that's how you participate in an ICO. I hope this video was informative, and again, I would like to encourage you to please support us by sharing this video with other people who might be looking for this information. Just like our video, and below this video there is our Telegram group link as well. Just click on that link and join our Telegram group and contribute, learn with us. Let's empower each other with this information, guys, because cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology is the now thing, and there is a lot of money to be made in the cryptocurrency space, guys, and the blockchain as a whole. So I hope this video was informative, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you. But let's just make sure that we have covered all the points here. So as I said, if you did everything correctly, you should receive a confirmation email from the ICO company to say that we have received your contribution, and they will give you further details as to when are they going to release those tokens to your wallet, so that you can be able to then trade them to any exchange that they're going to get listed on, right? Yeah, so that's it for this video. On the final video, which is going to be video number 4, I will show you how to cash out your tokens. In other words, well, it's very easy, because you'll be able to see your tokens in the My Ether wallet. So at that point, you will be able to just send those tokens to any exchange, and then you can either cash them out, or you can hold them for for how long you want to hold them, maybe for a couple of months, maybe for 6 months, for 12 months, depending on your plan. So but once one of these ICOs is completed, for instance this one here, self-key, once it's completed, I will just go through and show you the entire process of now cashing out your tokens. Because I participated on this one, I'm still going to put more money on this one as well. So I will show you how to go about cashing out. So again, that's it for this video. My name is Musa the Giant from Durban, South Africa. Thank you for your time. I respect your time, and I appreciate you for watching these videos. Click the like button below this video, subscribe to our channel, and join our Telegram group channel as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.